In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple rows Google Sheets. If you've ever cleaned up a sheet and needed whole chunks of data gone at once, this method is the quickest and safest way to do it. Start by moving your mouse to the far left edge of the sheet, where you see the gray row numbers. Instead of clicking inside a cell, click directly on a row number. That selects the entire row from column A all the way across, so anything in that row is included. You'll know it worked because the whole row will be highlighted. This is important. Selecting a row number targets the row itself. If you only select cells and press delete, you'll clear values, but you won't remove the row from the sheet. Now choose how many rows you want to remove. For a continuous block, click the first row number, hold the Shift key, and then click the last row number in the range. Everything between those two clicks becomes selected. If you need to pick rows that aren't next to each other, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking individual row numbers to add or remove them from the selection. Take a moment to confirm the highlight covers exactly the rows you intend. This quick check helps prevent accidental deletions. With the rows selected, open the context menu by right-clicking on any of the highlighted row numbers. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works too. If you're using a device without a right mouse button, use your system's alternative, such as Control-click on Mac. Keep the cursor on the row header area so you don't lose your selection when opening the menu. In the menu that appears, choose the option that reads Delete Rows, followed by the range you selected. For example, delete rows 3 to 10. The wording mirrors your selection, which serves as a final confirmation you're removing the correct rows. After you click it, those entire rows are removed, and the rows below shift up to fill the space. Any formulas that reference those rows will recalculate based on what remains, so it's a good idea to spot-check key totals afterward. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Immediately press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac to undo, or use Edit Undo from the menu. A quick tip: if your sheet is filtered or using a filter view, double-check what's visible before you delete so you don't unintentionally remove hidden data. And that's all there is to it. Select the row numbers on the left, highlight as many rows as you need, right-click, and choose Delete Rows. It's fast, precise, and perfect for tidying up large spreadsheets.